Here at Garage Services Online, we know that you want an online booking tool that will save you time, manage your bookings easily, and stop you missing out on customers. But all too often, the tools available don't quite hit the spot, or they come with significant drawbacks. They cost too much, they're too complex, and they're just not flexible. We've tapped into the knowledge of our network of over 700 garages to create a solution from the ground up, to give garages the tool they need to solve their problems. Our solution is fully configurable to your business needs. We don't charge any commission on bookings, and the tool is available for a flat, low-cost monthly fee. Our tool allows you to select which services to show for different vehicle manufacturers, which prices to show for that particular vehicle, and applies filters so you only show each driver the services or prices that you want them to see. Your customers experience a booking journey tailored to them before you need to do a thing. If you want to try the new booking tool built by the UK's most trusted garage website provider, you can try it today with no setup fees. It's the booking tool designed by garage people for garage people. If you're new to Garage Services Online, you can start using your new booking tool with 50% off for the first 3 months. We can get you going within 2 weeks, and as with GSO websites, you only ever sign up for a 12-month rolling contract covered by monthly direct debit. Inquire today with no obligation to experience the Garage Services Online booking tool risk-free, because every job starts with a booking.